In the heart of the 18th century, a remarkable discovery was made that would forever change the course of human history. This turning point, a revelation so profound, would ignite an era of unparalleled industrial growth and propel humanity towards a future of seemingly limitless energy. In the depths of a coal mine in Nottinghamshire, England, a young man named William Smith stumbled upon a peculiar black rock, unlike any he had ever seen before. This was the year 1799, and Smith, a surveyor by trade, was intrigued by the potential hidden within this strange substance. As he delved deeper into his study of this enigmatic rock, Smith began to notice a pattern. The layers of rock and fossilized remains were not random but represented a chronological record of Earth's history. He found that each layer contained distinct fossils, and by studying their order, he was able to determine the age of the rock and the era in which it was formed. The discovery of fossil fuels, particularly coal and oil, was a crisis of monumental proportions. It presented an opportunity for rapid economic growth and technological advancement, but it also posed a grave threat to the environment and the sustainability of future generations. Smith's findings sparked a frenzy of exploration and extraction, leading to the birth of the Industrial Revolution. Factories sprang up across Europe and North America, fueled by this newfound energy source. Steam engines, the driving force behind the revolution, now had the power to transform the landscape and reshape society. However, with this newfound power came a darker side. The burning of fossil fuels released vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to an unprecedented rise in global temperatures and altering the delicate balance of the planet's climate. The once lush forests of England gave way to smog-filled cities, and the health of the population suffered as a result. In the face of this crisis, visionaries like Smith's contemporary, James Watt, sought to develop more efficient engines and minimize the environmental impact. The Age of Enlightenment brought not just a revolution in energy, but also a renewed appreciation for the importance of sustainability and responsible resource management. Though the discovery of fossil fuels brought about a golden age of technological progress, it also set the stage for the modern environmental movement. As we continue to grapple with the consequences of our reliance on fossil fuels, we are reminded of the lessons learned long ago, that with great power comes great responsibility. In the end, the story of fossil fuels serves as a cautionary tale, a testament to the transformative power of discovery, and a call to action for a more sustainable future. The Age of Enlightenment may have begun with a single man and a peculiar black rock, but it will ultimately be defined by our collective response to the challenges it has presented.